Welcome to this BI Quick Tip. For more information on the BI tool, please visit our Help Files website. In this video, we'll walk you through how to view more slicers in your dashboard. This feature applies when the dashboard has a very large data set. Let's get started. Starting from our cover page in the Master Data Hub dashboard, we'll click on Vendor Master Central, and then we'll click on the right arrow here to navigate to that page. Next, we can see a substantial data set here and plenty of slicers on the left as well. If we are not seeing slicers that we need, we can click on the arrow here. This takes you to the next slicer page with those additional slicers. If we need to go back to our previous slicer page, simply click on the arrow again. And that's it. This makes it easier to navigate additional slicers while keeping the dashboard organized and easy to use. By simply moving forward or back between slicer pages, you can locate the filters that help you analyze your data more effectively. Thank you for watching this video on the BI Quick Tips series. For more information on BI, please visit our Help Files website. Until next time.